guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am working with the True Beauty stamp set from the box of the month for January. It's a Be Magical theme, so we've got some really cute princesses, and I'm going to be coloring these up with my Copic markers today, and I'm going to finish up 2 cards for you. I'm using my favorite reddish brown combination. It's E99, E97, and E95. I'm going to color up her hair. I'm making strands of hair with each of the colors, and I'm going to leave a little highlight in the center of each curl. So I'm going to play some music so you can watch the coloring, and then I'll meet you back on the other side and we'll put these 2 cards together. The trick to doing hair is to go over your image twice. So do 1 coat and then go ahead and do a 2nd coat, and you're going to see a big difference in your coloring. I had a lot of fun coloring in these images. They're really cute. I'm going to flip through the Day to Remember paper pad. It is really pretty. I love these colors. You can also find this paper pad in the Not Too Shabby section in the shop for individual sale. It does have coordinating ephemera as well, which is really pretty. I'm cutting down my 6x6 sheet of paper down to 4 save this. by 5 1/4. You're going to save this. So nothing's going to go to waste on these cards that I'm making today. And then you're going to take this one and you're going to cut this one down to 4 inches. You're going to save this piece. I'm going to take the squares from both. Okay, so I'm taking the square from this one and we're swapping. So we're gonna so we have 3 different patterns on each card. And then the little scraps are gonna go on the inside. So that will go on that one and that will go on that one. So I love this one sheet wonder. We won't have any scraps left over. You can make 2 cards with 2 6x6 sheets of paper from the paper pad, which I love. So the layout's pretty simple. I am going to glue this on so you could take a look. There's different ways you can lay out your panels, and I'm just playing around to see what I like best. So there's many options for you. I created a mat for the square and I cut out a circle with some stitching to add my sentiment. I chose a day to remember. I'm using VersaFine Clear and Nocturne. I really liked using this tiny flower from the stamp set. It really tied the card together, and I loved using it as an embellishment on my cards. All right, let's take a closer look at both cards. So here's the first one with the sentiment, a day to remember. Thought it turned out really pretty. Love that pop of gold. And then our second card, time to dream. And she looks like she is dreaming about a tea party or some special event. So I hope you enjoyed this. I've extended the free bonus stencil offer, so if you do subscribe to the box of the month, I will include this really cute Flutterby stencil in your box. To subscribe, choose monthly for your frequency before checkout. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!